a terrific Latin grilled chicken recipe for you. It is my Pollo Asado chicken. It is so delicious, marinated in some wonderful things. So I will have all of your ingredients listed below. So we're going to get started with, first you want to wash your chicken in some either vinegar and water or lemons and water, lime and water, whatever preference you like. Just wash your chicken. Next, we're going to cut the bone out the chicken. You see me struggling here with this pair of scissors because I'm so used to doing my knife, but I just wanted to show you guys a safer way to cut the bone out of the center of your chicken when making a spatchcocked chicken. So if you do not want to use a whole chicken and you want to use chicken legs or chicken breast, you can do that. It will be a terrific recipe regardless of whichever type of chicken you want to use. You guys, if you have not given your girl a thumbs up, please go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up right now. So next, as you see, I do not like to throw away anything. So I'm going to take this chicken back piece and I'm going to actually put it in the freezer and save it until I'm ready to make some chicken stock. So my next step is I'm going to make the wonderful marinade. So I have poured in my freshly squeezed orange juice and lime juice, and now I'm adding in some achiote paste. And I'm only using about 3 tablespoons of it, but if you want to make it like traditionally really, really red, you would use the whole 2 ounces, or you would use 2 ounces of it. And then I'm adding in the following spices: some smoked paprika, some olive oil, some minced garlic, some granulated onion. I'm using a little bit of sazon seasoning, the hot, because I want a little bit of heat to my chicken, but if that's optional, you do not have to use that. I'm using some cumin, some oregano, some white vinegar, some salt, some pepper, and I'm also using in some sprigs of thyme, which you see me use that already. So the next step, after I get through mixing all of these wonderful ingredients together, I'm going to put this chicken in the marinade and I'm going to let it sit in the refrigerator. I say anywhere between 3 to 5 hours, depending on if you're using a whole chicken. You may not need to let it marinate as long if you're using chicken thighs or chicken breast. You can just, and if you wanted to seep more, the flavoring to seep more into the meat, you can cut some slices into your chicken. That will also help it get down into your meat, but I prefer to just let it sit in the refrigerator for a longer period of time so that it can really absorb all of the flavors. So when it came out, it wasn't as red as I would like it to be, so I'm adding some smoked paprika on top and a little bit of olive oil. I'm going to rub that all in, and then I'm going to put it on my grill. Now I have my grill set between 425 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. If you do not want to put it in a grill, you do have an option of putting it in a 400-degree oven. You want to cook this until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees. Look how beautiful that chicken looks. You guys waited for absolutely nothing. Here is my wonderful, wonderful Pollo Asado chicken, and you guys, it is so juicy and delicious. You would never believe how wonderful and tender and juicy this chicken turns out. This is one of the best recipes, hands up, for making the Pollo Asado chicken. You guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Again, give your girl a thumbs up, and as always, enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Don't forget to click thumbs up and subscribe so that you can get all of my new videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.